high up in the sky, the storm makes wind, and it blows real hard? Today, welcome on board to the unimaginable flight. We will show you the most incredible plane moments ever caught on camera. Watch till the end. This plane is too fast and caused a little bit of turbulence dancing at one of the most dangerous airports in Nepal, Talcha. Sometimes landing takes time and patience. This plane failed in the first attempt at the Madeira airport. He turned back again, but the weather was bad. A hard crosswind prevented him from landing. When it was foggy, he still tried to land again. Where there's a will, there's a way. Yeah, that's true. And finally, this pilot made a perfect crosswind landing on his third chance. Hands up for his effort. Watch out, the Aerosucker Boeing 727 almost crashes into the people on the street after a takeoff. I still can't believe my eyes. Can you imagine one day seeing a plane falling down from the sky? Oh my God. But it did happen to this couple when driving down the highway. Oh my God. Luckily, the pilot found a clear landing place and no one was injured. But not all pilots could handle things like that. This plane has a horrible nosediving and stuck on the road barrier, but luckily the pilot is safe and no one was nearby. Storm doors caused many difficulties to the pilot. As you can see, this plane's going around and landing in very strong winds at Manchester Airport. Come on, I'm flying, not doing jogging exercise. Let me land and I'll do it later, the pilot said. A windy landing for A380 at Manchester Airport. This pilot worked hard with the rudder to make an excellent landing. Well done. Aircraft's near collision. A near mid-air collision between two aircraft during the Aeroclub d'Italia event. This is the lowest landing ever at Skiathos Airport, the flight by British Airways City Flyer. Come back to Maho Beach. We're watching an insanely low takeoff from St. Martin in opposite direction over. Not low enough? Watch out, this Wizz Air almost crashed into the fence when landing in Skiathos Airport. Fantastic! Amazing landings make you feel satisfied, but pilot skill can still surprise you by taking water from a swimming pool in a helicopter. At ST Barts, this pilot makes a landing that is too close to the street and almost touched the moving car. Unimaginable! They tried to land in a high mountain and make a quick action to rescue people. Great job, helicopter hero. Forget that crazy pilot. Luckily, no one was injured. These pilots are making some meaningful things happen. This Boeing is about to land in Rio Negro. Beautiful touchdown shot. Very well done. Another proficient low-flight touchdown shot from Centurion Air Cargo. This landing was so hard that the wheels sprayed smoke in the runway. You'll be breathless seeing this British Airways Airbus hit a severe crosswind and then drift off the centerline at Manchester Airport. Hold on tight, pilot, because you're driving a C-17 and performing a max engine takeoff. This is the Cessna 208 Caravan, flying so high, and then things go wrong. Engine failure. Here you see the perfect example of a short final glide with a dead stick landing. Even cleared the runway. Like a boss. Great pilot.
Yeah, baby!
If you think one first crash plane is exactly landing, wait, the surprise one is still up in the air. It crashed into this man on the runway. landing is one of my favorite scenes ever. And you? Watch this Delta B-767 and his wonderful landing in 18R Schiphol. Also at Schiphol Airport, another impressive and bouncy landing from a DHL Airbus A300. This helicopter Mi-17 is flying through Namche Bazaar in Nepal. What a beautiful sky view. But when it lands, dust blows so hard from the whole hill you almost can't see anything else. It's amazingly strange. This is a Douglas DC-3 plane, and here is some truly epic footage showing the landing on a flooded beach in Alaska. We placed a camera underneath the aircraft for some video you've never seen before. Wow, this is freaking amazing, so enjoy! Watch this Rada Airlines IL-62 extremely low and risky takeoff at the very last second at Nice Airport. This FedEx moves over speed on the full of water runway at Mumbai Airport. Turn the sound up to hear the engine screaming. Have you ever watched an air tanker drop fire retardant? This plane drops water to save the witness's home. So meaningful. General Aviation proper crosswind landings and jump in the runway, just like dancing. Here comes another good landing in windy day Transavia, France. Look at this heavy crosswind landing. So dangerous that this LATAM Airlines Airbus A320 has to abandon its landing. A marvelous example of ring vortex reverse takeoff at the tips of the rotor in Mi-17. Are you curious about what is this MIL Mi-26 helicopter doing, right? It shows all its force when raising a passenger plane off Tupolev 134. Those test pilots are performing a perfect dead stick in Pilatus PC-12NG. Wow, what an awesome job catching this on video so well. A skillful moment of this pilot lands at Dublin Airport amid tricky conditions due to Storm Bara. What an out-of-body experience for the pilot. This Singapore Airlines 747 is about to take off in Mumbai International Airport. Some bird appears to get sucked into the left engine of it shortly after departure. The plane struggles to land at Heathrow during Storm Eunice. Gusts of 122 miles per hour were recorded in the UK. Massive shout out to these pilots. All these people's lives in their hands, absolutely tremendous skill from them. Now we bring you some amazing footage from a Summit Air Avro RJ85 passenger jet as it lands on a gravel runway. This is the most stunning landing spot in the world. Coolest things ever seen at Bara Airport. The pilots are coming along well when driving this Transavia Boeing B-37PH-1 for a perfect emergency landing through a storm in Schiphol. This footage is on the Salt Fire in Shasta County, California. This beautiful red water is safe for our plants and animals. Once again, hands up for those air tanker dropping fire retardants pilots. The Canada Air Firefighting is trying to put out fire over Mountain Etna in Italy. Unfortunately, this aircraft crashes over the mountain when flying out. This pilot's finding a place to land, viewing from the cockpit. Aha! Then he lands in a beautiful wheat field. The hard winds force this plane to land almost sideways at Leeds Airport. An unforgettable memory with the crew when landing in a storm. This plane was blown off the runway.
Unbelievable!
Oh my God, I still can't believe my eyes. Yes, unbelievable seeing this B-52 take off at very close quarters in view. This man was standing, but when the Buffalo Airways DC-4 flying by with low-level takeoff, he'd better duck down in time. An incredible moment seeing the C-130 rocket take off burst some little flames. LC-130 jettisons to take off and Willen's ice rink creates beautiful snow scene ever.